Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Arc V Drone Strobe is probably one of the most crucial accessories for any drone enthusiast or professional. This compact yet powerful strobe light system significantly enhances visibility and communication during drone operations, especially in emergency scenarios. Whether you're capturing aerial footage or involved in critical missions, the Arc V Drone Strobe ensures your drone remains visible and compliant with regulations. Number 5. Firehouse Technology Arc V Drone Strobe. This powerful strobe light has 1000 lumens, making sure you can see it. It helps prevent collisions, ensuring safer flights both during the day and at night. The Arc V is designed to work with all drone models. This strobe light enhances safety without affecting your drone's performance or how it flies. You can quickly and easily mount the Arc V, use the included tape or self-secure enclosure to get it on your drone in just minutes, adding extra safety. The lightweight design of the Arc V won't drain your battery. This allows for longer flight times while still making sure it's highly visible. Built to handle tough conditions, the Arc V is made to last. It provides dependable anti-collision lighting for a long time. What we like. This strobe light offers maximum visibility with its powerful 1000 lumen white strobe. It is universally compatible with all drone models, ensuring enhanced safety without affecting performance. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install anti-collision light, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This new model is by far the brightest model I have tested, and also the smallest for the 1000 lumens it puts out. The case is waterproof and sealed and low profile so it does not look like a bug on top. The lens is angled and does not block any of the available light, unlike the recent offering by Polar Pro. Number 4. Firehouse Technology Arc V Drone Strobe Anti-Collision Light. This is the Firehouse Technology Arc V, a powerful drone strobe light. It is designed to enhance drone visibility and safety during flight, ensuring you can be seen. Featuring a 1000 lumen output, it provides exceptional brightness. This ensures that it is easily visible, even in challenging lighting conditions. The Arc V utilizes LED technology for bright and efficient illumination. This provides a long-lasting and reliable light source for your drone. It operates on included rechargeable batteries. This makes it convenient and easy to use, ensuring it's always ready for your next flight. This anti-collision light is designed to enhance drone safety. It helps to prevent accidents and ensures that others can see you in the air. What we like. This light boasts a bright 1000 lumen output and a sleek, modern design. It is also battery-powered, offering convenience and ease of use. If you appreciate a stylish and powerful lighting solution, this is the one for you. What people say. It's bright and lightweight and will work well to make my drone legal at night. When compared to other anti-collision lights I have used for flying drones at night, this one is by far the brightest. Creating a self-contained unit was a great move for them. It's just a good quality item in brightness and run time. Number 3. Firehouse Technology Arc V Pro Drone Strobe Light. This is the Arc V Pro from Firehouse Technology. It's a powerful anti-collision light designed for your drone, ensuring maximum visibility. With an impressive 1100 lumen output, it's the brightest light available. This ensures that others can see it from a great distance. The light has a range of up to 4 statute miles. This allows others to see it, enhancing safety during flight. It offers up to 6 hours of continuous operation in strobe mode. It has a rechargeable battery, so you can use it again and again. It features 4 modes: strobe, flash, fixed, spotlight, and strobe flash. This gives you flexibility in different flying conditions. The angled lens provides better side visibility. It's also water-resistant with an IP67 rating, protecting it from dust and water. The Arc V Pro meets and exceeds FAA requirements. It comes with documentation to prove its range and compliance. What we like. This product features the brightest light output in the market, ensuring maximum visibility. It offers an extended operation time with its onboard rechargeable battery. If you are looking for a durable and high-performance strobe light, this is the best choice. What people say. The Firehouse technology strobes by far are the most reliable, best made and have the brightest output and range of all tested. This is tested and documented to provide 4 more range with the docks included, which is nice for our record keeping. The lens is designed to maximize side visibility and they use Cree XPE2 LEDs which are designed for this use. Number 2. Firehouse Technology Drone Strobe 4 Light Kit. Introducing the Firehouse Technology Drone Strobe 4 Light Kit. This kit includes 2 white lights, 1 red, and 1 green light. It's designed to enhance your drone's visibility. This kit is FAA compliant and tested. The lights are designed to meet the necessary regulations, ensuring safe operation. It's a reliable choice for drone pilots. Featuring XPE Cree focused beams, this kit provides 1000 lumens of brightness. The lights are designed to be highly visible. This ensures that it can be seen from a distance. With a 6-hour battery life, it's built to last. It's also water and dust proof, ensuring durability in various conditions. This makes it ideal for different environments. The kit is small, lightweight, and has a low profile. The special lens design provides greater angles of light. This enhances visibility and safety. The Firehouse Technology Drone Strobe is rated the best by Pilot Institute. Check out the best drone strobes on YouTube for more information. It's a top choice for drone enthusiasts. What we like. This navigation kit is FAA compliant and offers a complete lighting solution with white, red, and green lights. It provides a long battery life, ensuring extended flight times. If you are a pilot who values safety and compliance, you should consider this. What people say. These strobes allow me to keep a close eye on my drones without risk of losing visual contact. They are bright. Even in daylight they're easy to see. At night they easily meet the 3-mile requirement. Works well, easy to install. The level of illumination definitely appears to be extremely bright. Number 1. Firehouse Technology Arc V Light Kit. This kit significantly boosts your drone's visibility. It features bright white, red, and green lights, making it easier to spot in various conditions. The Arc V strobe lights enhance safety. They help prevent collisions by making your drone more noticeable to other aircraft and ground observers. These lights also serve as a navigation aid. The different colors help you quickly identify the orientation of your drone, especially at night. The kit is designed for easy installation on your drone. It's a simple upgrade that provides a significant improvement in safety and awareness. Built with quality materials, this light kit is durable and reliable. It's designed to withstand the rigors of drone flight, ensuring long-lasting performance. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive navigation solution with its white, red, and green lights. It is FAA compliant, ensuring adherence to regulations. If you prioritize safety and visibility during your flights, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These strobes, I only use them in strobe mode, really make my aircraft stand out against background clutter. Handy when the drone is 600 feet away, but absolutely indispensable when the drone is only 50 feet away and otherwise invisible against a background that the drone might actually be flying into. Best strobes on the market. Very visible even in bright sunlight. Easy to charge and operate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.